launcher, which is a popular thing for Android devices. Actually, we always keep trying some different custom launchers for satisfaction. So let's get started with a different custom launcher, which is a very and super minimal custom launcher, and you guys can easily use this on any Android 10, 11 and 12, 13 as well. Android 13 of course fine, no issues with that. Android 10 to Android 13 and below, you guys can try this, no problem with that. Now let's get started. First of all, download that launcher from the given link in description, and remember one thing, you don't need to root your device. Without root, you guys can easily use that one. So this is Flow Productivity Launcher, and really thanks to the builder, and you guys can install this like this, just like normally APK install this. And when you are done, just provide all the permissions, just open the application, and here is the productivity launcher, and just follow the home screen, actually on screen instructions. When you are done, just provide all the permissions, just allow users access. Actually set as default. First of all, this one, let's select yes, and when you are done, just allow this one, permissions done, and users access. Then check out the users access, it is properly provided or not. Just go to settings and search here users access. Then when you tap here, the users access will be shown here. Just click, and on the at the bottom you guys can see, and Flow launcher is perfectly permitted, so no problem with other things. Now get back to home screen and provide all the permission, and here you guys can see add favorites. You guys can add 5 applications just like this, 1 2 3 4 and number 5. So then just click on the tick button, and then you are good to go. When you just use as a app drawer, you guys will get all the application here, but on home screen you guys will get only 5 applications, and by default you guys will get screen time. That means the digital well-being, whatever you guys can say. And we have the focus mode as well. If you use that, which is called Pomodoro, is really cool feature. When you use for this 25 minutes, you guys can set it as custom as you want. So customization is up to you. Then we have here some customization, like you guys can access the messages, and of course you guys can use the dialer as well. And if you want to go to the settings, just swipe right to left and then go to settings, and we have huge customization here. Edit favorites can be customized, and then we can customize other things, like by default we have some wallpapers and icon shapes. Here we have that icon shapes. Now if you select that one, you guys will get this one, and double tap to lock screen, which is cool, and you guys can easily use that one as well, and just provide the permission and you are good to go. Then we have hide apps. You guys can hide the apps icons from home screen as well. Only the text will be shown there, and home shortcut. And you guys can also customize this the below things, which was the contact and the messages. So I am selecting that one. It's huge. Customizations are really cool. Let me select that one. Then I selected that one, and here you guys can see the icon color and everything got changed. And this is the my feeds. You guys can select some things by clicking on the plus buttons. Whatever you need to add, whatever you want to type, you guys can do that thing as well. And here we have the detailed things like screen time, which application, Telegram 8 minutes, and settings 3 minutes, and YouTube 2 minutes. And you guys can add here the calendar events as well. And then we have here the set default launcher can be selected from here as well, and rate us and privacy customizations. What do we have next? And then we have that hide apps icons. Of course, let me show you. By default we have huge collections of wallpapers. Of course, internet connection is mandatory here. My connections are dead right now, I guess, so that's why I can't show you. We have very minimal wallpapers here, by default you guys will get. It's working, I guess. Yes, it's coming. Very minimal applications, wallpapers, sorry for that. Wallpapers changed. So here you guys can see, which looks really cool. You guys will get very minimal wallpapers, and just try this out. You guys will definitely like this minimal super launcher. So I can recommend you guys to use this one. So thank you for watching.